Hello friends, today we have to study binary addition and binary subtraction. First we concentrate on binary addition. To perform binary addition, 4 rules are used. Rule 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to sum 0 carry 0. Rule 2, 0 plus 1 is equal to sum 1 and carry 0. Rule 3, 1 plus 0 is equal to sum 1 and carry 0. And rule 4, 1 plus 1 is equal to sum 0 and carry 1. So here we say that whenever 1 plus 1 is used to add, that time the result is become 0 and the carry is become 1. So this carry is used to represent the result as a MSB bit. So whenever we have to perform the addition 1 plus 1, that time we have to memorize that sum 0 and carry 1. Now we perform the one addition. Here we take A is equal to 1 0 1 1 1 to the base 2 and B is equal to 1 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. Before proceeding the binary addition, we consider the one example of decimal 19 plus 12 and we have to perform the addition. In decimal form, when we have to perform the addition, we start the addition from LSB side. So 9 plus 2 is become 11 and 1 is right to the bottom and the another one is used as a carry and which is right on the next column of carry. So we write here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is become 31 to the base 10. So in this way we perform the addition. Now by using same way we have to perform the addition of binary numbers. So here we take A is equal to 1 0 1 1 1, B is equal to 1 1 0 0 1 and carry is right on the top of the A. Now we have to perform the addition. So 1 plus 1 is become sum 0 and carry is 1. Now again we have to perform the addition. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is become 0 with carry 1. So again we put the carry on next column. Again 1 plus 0 is become 1 and 1 plus 1 is become 0 with carry 1. So again here 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is become 0 with carry 1. So now we get the 3 ones 1 1 1. Now when we have to perform the 1 plus 1, that time it become 1 0 and 1 0 plus 1 is become sum 1 and carry is also become 1. So this carry is used as a MSB of the particular result. So we get the result as 1 1 0 0 0 0 to the base 2. We take the another one example. Add the following binary numbers. A is equal to 11.110 to the base 2 and B is equal to 10.111 to the base 2. Now again we use the same procedure. A is equal to 11.110, B is equal to 10.111 and we write the carry on the top of the A and we have to perform the addition. When we have to perform the addition, we start the addition from LSB side. So 0 plus 1 is become 1 and it does not create the carry. So we goes to the next column 1 plus 1. Now the sum is become 0 and carry is become 1. So again 1 plus 1 plus 1 we have to perform the addition, and whenever 1 plus 1 plus 1 we have to perform the addition for it, that time 1 plus 1 is become 1 0 and 1 0 plus 1 is become 1 1. So sum is become 1 and carry is also become 1. So here we are also add the binary point here. So we write 0.1 and those carries goes to the next column, that is 1. So again 1 plus 0 is become 1 and 1 plus 1 is become 0 with carry 1. So again 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we say that 1 plus 1 is become 1 0 and 1 0 plus 1 is become sum 1 with carry 1. So this carry is considered as a MSB bit of the result. So the result is become 110.101 to the base 2. Now we have to perform binary subtraction. To perform binary subtraction, we have to consider two conditions. Case first, A greater than B. Now take the one example for regarding to this as 10 minus 5 is become 5, and case second A less than B. Now we have to subtract 3 minus 5. So when this equation is become, that time we does not subtract 3 minus 5. So for that purpose what we do, to perform such a subtraction we have to take borrow 1. When we take the borrow 1, it become 13 minus 5, and 13 minus 5 the result is become 8. Again we have to use 4 rules for the binary subtraction. Rule 1, 0 minus 0 is become subtraction 0 and borrow is also 0. In rule second, we have to perform the subtraction 0 minus 1. Now this is not possible. For that purpose we have to take the borrow from next column, and when we take the borrow from next column it become 1 0 minus 1. So 1 0 minus 1 represent that the subtraction is become 1 and borrow is become 1, because 1 0 is nothing but the 2 in decimal number, and when 2 minus 1 we make the subtraction, so the result is become 1, and we have to provide the borrow again to the next column, so we write the borrow as 1. Rule 3, 1 minus 0. So in this subtraction we get the result as a 1 for subtraction, and borrow is nothing but the 0. Again for rule 4, 1 minus 1 is become 0 and borrow is also become 0. Now we have to take the one example. Subtract the following binary numbers. A is equal to 11011 to the base 2 and B is equal to 10110 to the base 2. For that purpose we take A is equal to 11011, B is equal to 10110, and we put the borrow below of the B. Now we have to make the subtraction. 1 minus 0 is become 1, 1 minus 1 is become 0, 0 minus 1 is nothing but the subtraction 1 and borrow is representing as minus 1 here, so we write minus 1. 1 minus 0 is become 1 and 1 minus 1 is become 0, so again 1 minus 1 is become 0, so we get the result as 00101 to the base 2. Now we take another one example. A is equal to 110.01 to the base 2 and B is equal to 101.10 to the base 2. So A is equal to 110.01, B is equal to 101.10. Now borrow is put again below the B, and we have to perform the subtraction. 1 minus 0 is become 1, 0 minus 1, so again subtraction is become 1 and borrow is become minus 1, so we write here, and we also put the binary point here, so subtraction is 1 with minus borrow 1. Again 0 minus 1, so again we have to take the borrow from next column, so it become 1 0 and 1 0 minus 1, so it become 1 with borrow 1, and those 1 is subtracted with minus 1, so 1 minus 1 again is become 0, but we have to write the here borrow minus 1. Again 1 minus 0 is become 1 and 1 minus 1 is become 0. Again 1 minus 1, so it become 0, and for that purpose we get the result as 000.11 to the base 2. Now we have to study the ones complement. The ones complement of number is found by inverting all the bits in that number. So now what we consider here, if the number consists of 0, for that 0 we have to write 1, and for 1 we have to write 0. So we take the one example. The number is 1101. So when we have to perform the ones complement, those 1 is representing as 0, those 1 is representing as 0, and those 0 is representing as 1, and those 1 again representing as 0. Again we take the another one example, 1010. Now again for that particular number we have to find out ones complement. So for 1's complement, 1 is become 0, 0 is become 1, 1 is become 0, and 0 is become 1. So in this way we are capable to convert any number into its 1's complement. So now we focus on 2's complement. 2's complement means what? The 2's complement of a number is obtained by adding 1 to the LSB of 1's complement of that number. Now we already studied the 1's complement, and that particular result we have to add 1 to the LSB of 1's complement. So here we take the one number 1101. First we find the 1's complement. So the 1's complement of 1 is become 0, for those 1 0, for those 0 1, and for those 1 is become 0. Now we have to add 1 to the 1's complement, and where we have to add? In the LSB. So here we write LSB 1. Now we perform the addition. 0 plus 1 is become 1, those 1 again representing as it is, those 0 representing as it is, and those 0 is representing as it is. So in this way we find the 2's complement of the given number 1101, and we get the 2's complement for that number 0011. Now we have to perform binary subtraction using 2's complement. To perform subtraction of two binary numbers A and B using 2's complement, we have to follow the sum step. First step, add A to the base 2 to the 2's complement of B to the base 2. Because here we consider the two numbers A and B, and due to this we write here add A to the base 2 to the 2's complement of B to the base 2. Now in this addition, if we get the carry is a 1, then the result is positive. We have to discard the carry and write the result. What it means that without carry we have to write the result. And third step, if the carry is 0, then the result is negative, and to find the original result we have to take the 2's complement of the result. That means again we have to discard the carry, and the remaining result is used to find out the 2's complement of that particular result. To understand this process, we take the example. We have to perform the subtraction 1001 to the base 2 minus 0101 to the base 2 using 2's complement method. So here we first write A is equal to 1001 and B is equal to 0101. So the first step says that we have to find out the 2's complement of B. So here obtain 2's complement of B. For that purpose we take first complement of this number, so it become 1 0 1 0. Now we have to add 1 to 1's complement. Due to this it become 2's complement. So we write that as 0 plus 1 is 1. Again those 1 is representing as it is, those 0 representing as it is, and those 1 is representing here. So in this way we get the 2's complement of B2 is equal to 1011 to the base 2. Now those 2's complement have to add with A to the base 2. So here A to the base 2 is representing as 1001, and 2's complement of B2 is representing as 1011. Now we have to perform the addition, and whenever the carry is generated we write the below of the 2's complement of B2. Now we perform the addition. 1 plus 1 is become 0 with carry 1. So we put the carry here. Again 0 plus 1 is become 1, and 1 plus 1 is become 0 with carry 1. So we put the carry here. Again 0 plus 0 is become 0, and 0 plus 1 is become 1. Again 1 plus 1 is become 0, and we write the carry here as a 1. Now we get the carry. So this carry indicate that the result is positive, and now we have to discard the carry. So we are neglecting those carry here, and the result is become 1001 to the base 2 minus 0101 to the base 2 is equal to 0100 to the base 2. Now again we take the another one example. We have to perform the subtraction 0 1 0 0 to the base 2 minus 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. Now here what we consider, the first number is nothing but the A and second number is nothing but the B. We write here A is equal to 0 1 0 0, B is equal to 1 0 0 1. Now we have to obtain the 2's complement of B. So we write here 1 0 0 1, and the 1's complement of this number is 0 1 1 and 0, because we are inverting the bits. Now we have to add 1 to the 1's complement. So we add those number 1 here, and we get the 2's complement as 0 plus 1 is become 1, again those 1 as it is, those 1 again as it is, and those 0 is again as it is. So the 2's complement of B is become 0 1 1 1 to the base 2. Now we have to add those 2's complement in A to the base 2. So A to the base 2 is become 0 1 0 0. 2's complement of B2 is nothing but the 0 1 1 1. We again require the carry and we have to perform the addition. So now 0 plus 1 is become 1, 0 plus 1 is become 1, and 1 plus 1 is become 0 with carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is become 1. Now we does not get the carry. So here we write the carry as 0, and those 0 indicate that the result is negative. So final carry is 0, and we write here carry 0 indicate the result is negative and in 2's complement form. So if you have to find out the original result of the given subtraction, we have to take the 2's complement of those result. We are again remove the carry. We get result 1 0 1 1. To find the true form of result, we have to take the 2's complement. So here we write 1's complement of this result is 0 1 0 0. Again we have to add 1 to 1's complement, and we get the result as 2's complement of 0 plus 1 is become 1, those 0 is 0, 1 again representing as it is, those 0 is representing here, and we get the result of 2's complement 0 1 0 1 to the base 2. In this way we perform the subtraction 0 1 0 0 to the base 2 minus 1 0 0 1 to the base 2 is equal to 0 1 0 1 to the base 2. So in this video we study about binary addition, binary subtraction, and binary subtraction using 2's complement. If you like the video, comment in the comment box and subscribe the channel to get the notification of the new video. Thank you.